Binary options trading is one of the most popular forms of investment opportunity worldwide. The high profit potentials of this trading instruments are attracting new traders to trade options. So, today we are about to learn the 5 initial steps to start binary options trading. Traders choose to trade binary options, mostly because of its easy way of trading. The steps of trading options are easy, but crucial. So, you need to be focused while completing each of the phases. Now, let's begin the main part of this video. The 5 initial steps to start binary options trading. Choose a regulated broker. A regulated broker will give you the platform to trade safe and securely. So, you have to be cautious while choosing a broker. Analyze the market and asset. The second important step is to analyze the markets to understand which assets are doing well and how would be the future of it. It's a crucial task that needs lots of time and effort to understand. Don't be afraid yet. It's a bit hard task but not impossible. All you need is to put your brain and energy to get to know what the market is trying to say. Practice on a demo account. Registering an account is free of charge with most brokers. Once you have created an account, you need to start practicing. Demo trading is a good practice as it helps you to educate yourself on the basic concepts of binary trading. It also familiarizes you with the different ways you can trade options. Make an initial deposit. After knowing the platform thoroughly, you will need to deposit an initial amount. The initial deposit amount varies from broker to broker. You need to deposit on the trading account to carry out live trading. However, try to start with a small deposit amount like $10 to $20. Then, gradually build your account. Start live trading. After completing all the previous steps successfully, now it's time to join the actual trading world and start live trading. It's high time when you have to put what you've learned so far. Based on your plan, strategy, and knowledge, you have to predict how the market will move and then choose call or put option. If your prediction turns out to be right, you'll win a payout. Otherwise, you'll get nothing. No matter what the business or job you do, everything must have to be organized so that you can reach the ultimate goal. The same law is also for trading. Trading isn't the magic lamp of Aladdin that you'll rub and boom, you'll become a rich person overnight. If you're here for some quick money, then surely this field is not for you. So, think twice about how passionate and patient you are about it before starting. Like, comment, and share if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, see you soon in the upcoming video.